All right, welcome back to another video, everyone. So I have got another amazing location for you here today. But first, I have someone special with me here today. This is my wife, Cindy. Cindy, say hi. Okay, she's not very talkative today. She didn't want to put on clothing either, which was, I don't know, I was like, all right, you do what you want, right? Anyway, this is Cindy. You know, she's amazing. All right, but in all seriousness, absolutely amazing location here for you today. It's kind of like a mini mansion, built in 1964, great location, lots of stuff left behind, and a really big home. So let's check out this static space. Yeah, so like I mentioned in the intro, we've got a great little, actually it's not little, it's a big 1960s house. And you can tell they liked horses, because check that out. That little horse medallion in the middle of the tiles. There's actually a few of them like that. It's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that before. And we've also got, oh, that's leaded glass. Yeah, I think so. Maybe not, but I think it is. Anyway, nice little transom window up there. And you can see there's a bird's nest up top too. So, I'm a little late to this one. Just by a couple weeks, because this door has since been removed. This front door used to be here. So unfortunately, someone stole it. There was actually a pickup truck and a car here just now for like half an hour. So I'm guessing those are the same people that took the things out of here, unfortunately. Boy, some people just have no respect, eh? I mean, I know this is abandoned and everything, and it's likely going to be torn down for redevelopment, but still, it's not yours. I mean, unless they were allowed to be here doing that, I don't know, but either way, I don't like it. So yeah, this is a really cool sink. Back to some more positive dialogue. So this is a really cool house. I like the faucet and stuff as well. This is strange. They've got like, so this must have been a bigger room, like a walk-in closet, and then they turned it into a bathroom. Turned half of it into a bathroom anyway. That would explain this wall here, like right in the middle of the window. Check this out. This is the other part of the story, which I'll get to in due time. Some of you may recognize that. Give you a hint of what was going on here. And some of you may recognize that. Give you a hint of what's going on here. We just had some police line tape there as well. But I'll tell you what it is in due course. I couldn't show you the tape just because, yeah. Definitely looks like this place has been abandoned for, you know, a little bit actually, because it's in rough shape. There's like there's some decay, you know, like there's that damage up there. I mean, obviously someone's been salvaging materials, right? I think this is laminate flooring. I don't know why you're saving laminate flooring. It's not exactly the best quality. Yeah, this is just laminate. Not hardwood. Anyway, this looks like it was the dining room. You got your fireplace here. Gotta have the fireplace. Looks like they might have had a gas insert, judging by that little piddly pipe. Pretty cool, those flowers though, I must admit. Nice wood around the fireplace. Let's take a quick peek outside because it's a really nice, picturesque area. Oh, and it gives us a nice look at the outside of the house at the back here. Check that out. That is incredible. Really, really like that. And then over here as well, just a really nice house. And this is cool, this spiral staircase here. Yeah, really liking that as well. Very cool stuff.
Located on almost 50 acres, this once large piece of property was home to an equestrian center along with 3 houses.
So this looks as though it could have been a bedroom, maybe the master. So this place does have power. You know that clunking. I don't know what those do. Very strange. Okay, but yeah, so I guess I may as well tell the story now. You can see all this explosives debris here. So the police were using this home for training, and I'm pretty sure they were here like today, like not long before I got here, because I walked down into the basement and all I could smell is this like burning plastic smell. And it was gross too, like really strong. I'm like, oh geez, is there a scrapper in here or something like that? Like, you can see there's still some cartridges around from the paint rounds. And so that's what I thought initially. But let's take a look at this bathroom before I continue with that story. So this would have had some really nice floor tile as well, but they painted over it, unfortunately. Oh, it's still there in the shower though, but check out this. Got the purple toilet, purple tile, yellow painted walls. That is great. And there's the original tile that would have been on the whole bathroom floor. I guess that's why they painted it. It's looking pretty rough. Or it's looking rough because they painted it. But check this out. It's almost a sauna. It's like a sauna and a shower in one. That is weird. I don't know what the deal is with that. They covered, oh, maybe it was a sauna originally and they converted it into a shower. Yeah, that would make sense. Okay.
The property stirred up controversy locally in 2019 when a heritage farmhouse on the lot, built after 1927, was abruptly destroyed before a demolition permit was issued.
Really liking that. That is so cool. And this bathtub, that is just unbelievable. Never seen anything like that before. It'd be pretty uncomfortable, to be honest. Like, be hard. Like, I mean, sitting down on that tile work would not be comfortable at all. But look at this. Oopsie. A swan or whatever it is, goose. That's really cool. I don't know what's in his mouth. Some sort of a... Oh, geez, there's rust all over my fingers now. But that is just incredible. And of course, his countertop and sink as well. Very cool. So he would have had a really big vanity. Well, big mirror anyway. So that whole wall was a mirror. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so it was really stinky downstairs. And I'm thinking, okay, there's a squatter or a scrapper or something down there. Jeez, look at this.
The house we are exploring today was built in 1964 and has been described as a 1960s two-story brick worker house estate.
What? So yeah, I'm kind of wandering around downstairs saying, hello, hello, is anybody here? Nobody's answering. And I'm like going into these dark rooms, checking them out one by one, thinking, oh boy, who am I going to run into? And is he going to be pissed off? And after I opened up a bunch of doors and stuff so that I could let the smell out, no water, it dawned on me, I'm like, oh yeah, police training. Why didn't I think of that at the time? But it was so stinky and you could see the smoke. So they were here not that long ago. Like probably today. Like just before I came or something. Anyway, so that was an exciting start to the explore. I think they'd like open up the windows or something because it was stinky. But boy, yeah, this room is really red. Here's another hole that they would have been from them. Yeah, you can see it just sprayed all over the walls and stuff here. So it's somewhat common for this sort of thing to happen. Yep, that's what this was too. Oh boy, that is crazy. So maybe that's why the front door is missing. I don't know. Not 100% sure. That's definitely why this door is blown to smithereens. Anyway, you got a really nice wood floor here. Obviously, they're not going to salvage that. I don't know what this is. Kind of looks like a wreath or something. I don't want to touch too much stuff in here. Don't want to get a whole bunch of,
Although being a ranch-style bungalow with a walkout basement, the home feels more like a mansion to me, with features such as a spiral staircase, high-end design elements, and even an indoor swimming pool.
Michael Connolly, The Gods of Guilt. Yeah, look at this floor. Really nice wood. Boy, this is going to be a long video, I think. I don't know what this is. DVD player. We've even got like Amazon packages here. Oh, check this out. Backtrack, never heard of that movie. John Turturro, Jodie Foster, Dean Stockwell, Fred Ward, Dennis Hopper, Vincent Price. Wow, that's oh, the Transporter on DVD. There it is. Yeah, I got a few blank VHS as well. Kind of makes you wonder if there's anything on them. This place actually does have power, but so far none of the lights have turned on, so I'm not entirely sure what the deal is with that. Oh, so it wasn't a gas fireplace. It was just like a more efficient wood burning fireplace, I think. Huh. I'm surprised they left this. This is probably like, you know, their kids or their grandkids or something like that, right? I don't know. So, I don't know. Maybe this hasn't been abandoned all that long. Maybe it's just was owned by an elderly person or something. Nothing in there. Does the light work? Maybe I have to turn on a breaker or something. There's no bulb in that light, so. Okay. Well, this is a cool room. Maybe this is the dining room. I don't know, it's hard to tell. I think it is, just judging by the table. Look at this table. This thing's actually really cool. It looks homemade or something. Nice solid block of wood. That thing's solid. Oh, but look at the cobwebs. So this place has to have been abandoned for at least a couple of years, probably longer.
The property also had an equestrian complex including stables, lounges, and a riding hall.
And then ceiling medallion. Wow. This would have been a really nice place back in the day. Oh, we've got, does it, oh boy, yeah, we may have a date here. Hold on. Yeah, so I just checked the window here. And I'm seeing a date of 1964. So I'm going to go with that. Makes sense to me. Yeah, check out that, eh? Interesting curtains. I don't know, so weird sort of like, what are these? These are pizza slice trays. That's weird. So there's a weird collection of stuff left over here. A lot of it's junk, but check out that, eh? The swinging door, it's really nice. Oh boy, here we go, the kitchen. This kitchen is great. So you got all sorts of pantry space here. Those are probably wine glasses, like those really high-end ones. Nothing in there. Yeah, check out this countertop though. That is great. High-tack fish glue. Okay, don't want to get that on my hands. Boy, oh boy. Isn't this kitchen amazing? I'm really liking this blue. Wow. Yep, see, here you go. This is how you know it has power. But I still haven't found a light switch that works yet. That's a pretty small stove. Or sorry, oven. There's your stove top. Thermidor. Pretty cool. Not a flat top, but oh geez, look at this range hood. This thing is heavy duty. It looks like it was vented outside, which is always a plus. Get those food smells out of your house. Especially if you're like, I don't know, cooking curry or something like that. I make curry every so often and yeah. Definitely want to get that out of your house. So I got lots of alcohol here, so they're definitely into drinking. Maybe some moonshine here. Or urine, possibly. Who knows? Who knows? What is this? Punch Abruptly. Product of Italy. Pretty standard sink there, but boy, this kitchen really is great.
All of the remaining buildings have since been demolished, and the future development of a large industrial complex is starting to take place.
Yeah, I've already tried those light switches, so they don't work. Yeah, I'm liking this house. At least this kitchen is just amazing. This place gets a lot better though, too. That was like a caterpillar guide. All right, let's go down the other staircase to the basement because it's a lot cooler. So, we've got that chandelier there. No. None of the lights seem to work. It looks like they had some really nice curtains up there on the rounded wall. That is really cool. And then you've got this staircase here. This like semicircular staircase. Yeah, so this would have been a really, really nice home back in the day. And like before they started tearing stuff up. Looks like there were some plants here. You can see there's like dust all around them. So I don't know. I don't know if this place had been abandoned for quite a while, or maybe the owners were just elderly and they didn't clean. Who knows? Either way, it's kind of a shame that this one didn't pop up sooner. But look at this staircase, just incredible. Amazing. Oh, it still stinks down here though. It really smells. It smells like burning plastic. It's giving me a headache. I'm not sure what this is. Pretty cool though. They're like giant negatives. And you got your little mini bar here. Oh, this thing would have been great. Look at that. Look at the surface on it. And it probably went further than this. Whoops. Yeah, see, they cut off part of it. Don't know why, but yeah, it probably wrapped all the way around almost to the wall. That is pretty cool. Huh. Wow. And here's a really cool part of this location. The pool. The indoor pool. Oh boy. I can never get enough of indoor pools. It's weird, there's no ladder to go down into here. Plastic. I don't know what the deal is with all those. Yeah, it's a really cool area. You've even got a fireplace here. Boy, very cool stuff. But it looks like they hadn't used this as a pool in a very, very long time. Not sure what all these like foldable, they look like giant hard candies. You know, like candy be in the middle and then you've got those two little things on the ends. That's what they look like. They look like giant hard candy wrappers to me. But yeah, it really doesn't look like they used this pool anytime recently. And I'm not sure what all this stuff is. Very strange. Or what that is. Check out this couch though. That is... yeah, that's pretty nice. Surprised they didn't take that with them. Oh, very cool. I really like the tile work down there, actually. It's quite nice. And the blue on the sides of the walls. Very cool. All right, let's go over this way first. Oh, another shower. Oh, this is a party shower. A lot of leftover wood and stuff. It's a bit messy in here. Well, this looks like it could have been a grow room at one point. I doubt it, but oh yeah, walls falling apart here. Yeah, so they didn't take very good care of this house in the later years. Huh. Oh wow, here's the actual washroom. Oh nice. This looks original. I'm thinking this may have been like a, oh we've got, okay, I don't want to show this. Well, I guess I can show that. I'll have to look at that later, but I'm not going to show it on camera because I know there's going to be personal information here. Look at this toilet. You guys know I love the retro decor. And then of course you've got your sink as well. So much. This is a really big place and there's so much to see. So you get another fireplace there. Nice brickwork. Again with the inserts. Wondering if they actually heated their home with wood. And we've got more of these like black and white transparency photos. Never seen anything quite like that before. It's printed on plastic. Yeah, somebody had their workshop in here. Lots of wood, sawdust everywhere on the ground. Really cool old wooden chair there. Oh, it just keeps going. Oh yeah, this is one of the doors that I opened just to help air it out. So it was so stinky in here. Oh, we got a big bottle of Crown Royal too. That's a big one. 1.75 liters. Oh boy. This house is huge. A bit of a maze, kind of. Cedar lined closet. All these records here as well. Huh. Got some tools and whatnot. Another cedar lined closet with a bunch of records. Trying to figure out what these things are though. Like they need something with the records. That's weird. I have no idea what they were doing with those things. Not the slightest clue. Bricky. Oh, and the wolf picture. Every house needs a wolf picture. Did we go in this room yet? Yeah. Yeah, so this is where I first saw, like, I didn't look on the door frame though, because there you can see remains of the explosives. But I saw the little shards on the ground. I'm like, oh boy, this does not look good. And I saw this, but I didn't clue in at the time. And I was kind of freaking out, right? Because I'm like going in here and it's dark. Oh, jeez. So, yeah. Well, woof. Yeah, I got all sorts of like paint and stuff like that down here. Usual basement stuff. More paint in here. Spray paints and rust paints. Another bathroom. It says there's a lot of bathrooms. I don't know, 4 or 5. Check out this. That is cool. What is this thing? Okay. Oh, there's another door I opened just to... A lot of junk in here, like ornaments and stuff. Oh. We've got the, like, half dress forms as well. And got your luggage. This is Canadian Airlines. I've never heard of Canadian Air, but it's priority anyway. So yeah, they traveled in style, I think. Boy, a lot of weird stuff in here. Oh, and then these were for the windows. Yeah, so you'd replace the... Huh. Pretty cool. Yeah, a lot of like DIY stuff here. Nothing in there. What's in here? Oh my gosh. Oh boy, copper. $2 worth of copper. Yeah, all sorts of like pipes and all sorts of stuff in here. Okay, let's go check out the barn, because the barn is really cool. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Intercom system. All right. So let's take a quick look in here. Got some horse plaques there. So this is the equestrian center. Yeah, all sorts of like plaques and stuff. All sorts of junk left over as well. Saddle soap. Non-such saddle soap. Huh. Guess that's to help protect the leather. Oh, look at this. Oh boy, this thing's big. There's 2 of them too. All right. Pleasure Steak, Ontario, Saddlebred Show, 1977. Purina horse chows. Huh. That is pretty cool. I guess that's a horse blanket actually. Yeah. But they got that from their horse show. Huh. All sorts of stuff in here, eh? Another horse blanket. Yeah, you've got all your stables here. So yeah, this was a horse farm for sure. This wasn't the only one in the area either. And I think they're all gone now. There was another building here as well. Oh, geez. Yep, there were some guys here like taking stuff. There used to be like a... Wow, it's gone now. It was a jump. It was like a hurdle. It was right there, close to the door. Boy, that's a shame. Would have made for a good photo. These huge wooden doors. These are great. There's another trophy up there. So you got your kitchen here. You got like a lounge area here. Oh wow. This is cool. Check this out. All the wood. This nice desk. Look at this chair too. Or sorry, this couch I mean. Liking the brown. Shame the window's all smashed out. Some more ribbons for their competitions. Oh wow, look at this. Look at all these ribbons here. New York State, Saddlebred, Summer Sizzler, CNE Horse Show, Perth Fair. Very cool. I think there used to be more here actually. Not 100% sure, but I think so. I'm amazed that they would just leave all that stuff though. This is pretty cool, except for this giant hole in the wall that the police training caused. Wow. That is crazy. That was a little freaky. Look at that giant hole. And you can see all the explosive material on the TVs as well. Jeez. Really old TVs. There's the newer Samsung. Another trophy. Well, it's a shame that this place is all blown out. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool like lounge area. Very retro with all the old furniture. Yeah, and they blew a hole in this wall too, I guess. And they boarded it up. Crazy stuff. So I'll close this door so it doesn't slam shut again and scare me. All right, let's go upstairs first. Okay. Well, it looks like they had people living up here, maybe. Washer, dryer. Maybe. Got your kitchen. This is pretty modern. Yeah. Rotten food in there. Oh, look at this stove, though. That's pretty cool. Huh. Look at that, eh? Got the giant TV. So maybe this was just another lounge area for the people that kept their horses here. You've got the gas line up there. It's warm up here. Oh yeah, maybe someone did live here actually. Boy, that's a red closet. See, you got your dresser here. Sorry guys, I'm just kind of rushing through this. This isn't super interesting. Oh, but they definitely had some iron in the water. Oh boy, did they ever. Look at that. Boy. It's like thick deposits. It's chunky. It's like clogging up the drain and stuff. That is pretty extreme. Yeah, so this upstairs area is pretty bland. It was definitely renovated somewhat recently. Here's more of the stables. We don't need to look in all these. And there's another barn with more stables. It looks like they hadn't been used in a lot longer than these ones though. These ones look like they were used more recently. And the other ones look much more abandoned. Oh, there's another staircase. We'll have to go up there. Oh, there's more to this barn too. So check out all these trophies here too. Boy, that is pretty cool. All those trophies. Really surprised they didn't take those with them. Yeah, there's and through there's something else. We'll have to see if we can get in there. But first, let's check what's up here. Very narrow staircase. Oh, just storage. Oh, wow. Okay. Got some feed buckets and a whole bunch of trophies. Wow. That's a lot of trophies. Huh. Bunch of horse blankets. Yeah, it's really hot up here. Boy, I can't imagine trying to move all this stuff. Maybe that's why they left a lot of it. Oh, check it out, they got a tire swing there.
Here's a bonus location. I only have photos from this one, but thought they were worth including since Southdown Institute used to be located right across the street from this farm. Here's a snippet from their website. Established in 1966, we have earned a reputation as a recognized industry leader in the provision of preventative and restorative care. There's far more to the story that I cannot talk about here, but I encourage you to research more about the facility for yourselves.
All right, thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought about it down in the comments below. If you did enjoy it, throw a like down there as well, share it, and of course, as always, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of this type of content, and I'll see you at the next Static Space.